This pumpkin is perfect for tonight.
Let's gather a few more.
I found a big one! Mine is tiny and cute.
Our harvest is ready.
Let's head home.
I'll push the wagon. I'll carry this little pumpkin.
Let's clean them carefully.
Fresh is always best.
The water is so cool. They're shiny now.
Everything smells wonderful.
Let's make it delicious.
Fresh herbs are ready. I brought the garlic.
Into the pot they go.
Now let it simmer.
It already smells amazing.
The oven is hot.
The dough feels perfect.
I'll add more flour. Mine is heart-shaped.
The soup is creamy now.
These herbs smell fresh.
It's my favorite. It smells so good.
Perfectly baked.
Golden and warm.
It looks delicious. Can I taste it?
Dinner is ready.
Everyone, take a seat.
This looks awesome. I'm so hungry.
Dinner is ready.
Everyone, take a seat.
This looks awesome. I'm so hungry.
Nothing beats family dinner.
This is a perfect evening.
The soup is amazing. Best dinner ever.